Hello students, this is Dr. Henry and I'm your instructor for OAD 125 Word Processing. This week I'm doing a quick tips video related to Word Module 6. In Word Module 6 you'll learn different features that allow you to perform a mail merge using Microsoft Word. I'm going to quickly open the training tutorials and I'll go to the task list for Word Module 6 just so that you can see. Well, it starts off with showing you how to use the mail merge wizard. And I'm not sure if you've used a wizard, but several Microsoft applications have a wizard. And a wizard is just a step-by-step set of instructions that allows you to build something as you answer the questions. And so for this wizard, this is the mail merge wizard. So it's going to bring you up a set of options. And as you choose what you want to do, then it creates your mail merge. But this particular training tutorial also shows you other ways to create or start a mail merge. And so one of the other ways is to start with the type of document that you want to do. So while you're learning doing the training tutorial, please pay attention to those kinds of things. For this particular week's project, you are a college and you're having to send a letter to new students to the college and you're welcoming them. And so this is the type of workplace objective that you would do that would require or be easier to complete if you used a mail merge. One other thing I want to point out, remember that you will probably have steps from earlier modules. So remember everything you've learned from modules 1 through 5. You may encounter some of those things in module 6 in addition to the things that are in the training tutorial for Word Module 6. Those are my quick tips for Word Module 6. One more thing I do want to say, we are about 1 week away from the midterm exam, so it's not too early to start studying. Thanks for listening. Bye.